Hey guys, we know that the iQOO 12 series are coming very soon, the iQOO 12 and iQOO 12 Pro. And here is the iQOO 12 Pro official 100x periscope zoom lens camera sample, 0.5x, 1x, 10x and 100x, and also reveal some iQOO 12 Pro more picture, and as you can see that all the picture quality is too good, and both phone also come with triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 48 megapixel telephoto zoom lens, 3x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom, and the font is come with 16 megapixel single selfie camera. iQOO 12 Pro come with 6.78 inch 2K resolution Samsung E7 AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate, and the peak brightness is 2700 nits. And on the other hand, iQOO 12 also come with 6.78 inch 1.5K resolution BOE OLED display with 144Hz refresh rate, and the peak brightness is 3000 nits. And the both phone also come with the latest flagship processor Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and Adreno 750 GPU with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage with Android 14 with Orange OS 4.0. iQOO 12 Pro powered by 5100 mAh battery, and iQOO 12 is come with 5000 mAh battery, but both phone also support 120W fast charging. Both phone also come with stereo speaker and in-display fingerprint scanner. iQOO 12 series coming on 7 November in China, and the iQOO 12 series launched in India in 12 December 2023. So this is all about iQOO 12 series, all the details and specification. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.